Good morning students. We have completed exercise 9.1, that is chapter is algebraic expression, and today I am going to start exercise 9.2. So pay attention. देखो बेटे, in this product of polynomials is given. In question number 1, exercise 9.2, question number 1, in this beta multiply, written like this, minus 11y is there and this side is 4y, and then minus next column is minus 8x square, and then minus 3xy, and then 11x square y square. This one is given, and here the 11y. So multiply this 11y by each and every term, and then 9y square, and then minus 4x cube, and so on, minus 8xy cube. So multiply by this. In the same way multiply all the terms. I want to complete one, others you will try. Minus 11y multiply by 4y. So first you multiply the sign, minus into plus, minus 11 4 ja 44, and y into y is y square. Minus into plus, minus 11 4 ja 44, and y into y y square. Now this minus into minus, plus is there, no need to write plus sign. 11 8 ja 88, x square and y, write like this. Again minus into minus, plus 11 3 ja 33, and x as it is, and y into y y square. When we multiply the variables, and if the variables are same, then add the power. Now minus 11 into 11, minus into plus is minus, 11 into 11 is 121, then multiply the variable, x square as it is, y into y square y cube, y raised to the power 3. Now in the same way this one, 9 4 ja 36, y square into y y cube, then 9 8 ja 72, and y square x square and y square, because variables are different, so we are not able to multiply this. In this way beta complete this table. So try all the remaining parts. Yes beta, now question number 2. What is this? The length and breadth are given, and we have to find the area of rectangle. You can take any one as length and any one is breadth, just like question 2, A part. Length is, well, possible length is minus 3x, and breadth is seven xy square. Possible length and breadth are these. Then area is equal to what? Area is what? Length into breadth. That is minus 3x into 7xy square. Beta, what is minus 3x into 7xy square? Minus 3 into 7 minus 21, x into x, x square, and y square as it is. This is the answer. In this way, in second part also, length and breadth is given in third part also, fourth part also. All are you have to solve in the same way. So it is question number second, A part. Now beta question number 3. In question number 3, side of square is given and find the area of square. Side is given, find the area. जैसे for example, A part, side of square is equal to -8s. Find the area of square is equal to -8s whole square. एरिया क्या होता है बेटे? एरिया इज इक्वल टू साइड स्क्वेयर. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वेयर इज व्हाट? साइड का स्क्वेयर कर दो. -8 स्क्वेयर 64, -8 इंटू -8 एंड s स्क्वेयर. दिस इज द आंसर. सेकेंड पार्ट और देख लो, बी पार्ट. बी पार्ट में गिवन है 7y साइड ऑफ स्क्वेयर is equal to 7y. Then area of square is equal to side square 7y whole square. This is what? 7 square 49 and y square as it is. This is the area. Answer. ठीक है बेटा. In the same way, next side is given. Find the area. Same thing is there. Now question number 4th, A part I am solving. This and this, multiply these terms and after getting the product of these, write the coefficient of x square. So multiply these. This solution is, this is equal to 2x into -4 into -2x. What is this? 2 4 the 8, -8 into -2 plus 16. 2 4 the 8, 8 to the 16, minus into minus plus, and x is x square. ठीक है, x into x is x square. तो what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is equal to what? 16. Coefficient of x square is 16. नेक्स्ट है बेटे, नेक्स्ट में 3 टर्म्स की है, -4y इंटू -4y स्क्वेयर इंटू -4 एंड राइट द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y स्क्वेयर. तो द प्रोडक्ट इज -4 इंटू -4, 4 4 the 16, 16 4 the 64. And minus into minus plus, plus into minus, again minus, and y raised to the power 2 is this and 1 is this, y raised to the power 3. So therefore coefficient of x square is what? Coefficient of x square. x square वाली terms तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. तो what is the coefficient of not x square? Coefficient of y square, sorry. Coefficient of y square is 0. So in this way bete, remaining parts also you have to get the product and then write the coefficient of required term in this way. And now question number 5. In question number 5 also 2 monomials are given. Find the product. 2 monomials or 3 monomials. Only monomials are there. So I want to write question number 5, E part. What is this? -m into -mn by 2 into -lmn by 3. Find the product of these. इनको मल्टीप्लाई करो तो माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, प्लस इंटू माइनस, अगेन माइनस, m रेज टू द पावर m 1 पावर 1 power is this, 1 power is this and 1 power is this. m raised to the power 3, add कर दो इनको, and n raised to the power 1 is this, 1 is this 2, and l is alone upon 6 in this way. F part is also I want to solve. What is in F part? Multiply x into xy by 3 into minus y by 4 into minus 1 by 2. तो multiply these, x into x, x square, y into y, y square, minus into minus plus, no need to write plus, 1 कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, 3 4 जा 12, 12 2 जा 24. This is the answer. So in this way you can multiply these. When we multiply the variables, then we add the powers. ठीक है बेटा. तो up to question number 5 we have completed. Now question number 6 is also given. What is in that? In question number 6, length and breadth are given of a rectangle and we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Look at question number 6. The length and breadth of rectangle are given and find the perimeter of the rectangle. First part, 6th A part, question number 6. Length is 4x square and breadth is 8y square. We have to find the perimeter. All of you know very well the formula for perimeter of the rectangle. Rectangle is this. Beta, this one is length and this one is breadth. This one is length and this one is breadth. Length and breadth in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. And what is perimeter? The sum of boundary L plus B plus L plus B. So 2 times L and 2 times breadth. So formula is 2L plus 2B. We take 2 common and write it 2 into L plus B. So what is it? 2 into L is 4x square, breadth is 8y square. So what is the perimeter? 2 4 जा 8x square and multiply this 2 with this, इसको 8 इससे करो और नंबर को नंबर से, वेरिएबल को वेरिएबल से, बट नो वेरिएबल इज देयर. 2 8 जा 16 y square. This is the perimeter. और you can take 8 कॉमन लेके लिख दो और राइट एज इट इज. तो इट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. तो 9.2 very short answer questions we have completed. After this summative assessment B part, I will discuss this in next lecture. Till then, bye, take care.